Okay, after several hours, I'm about ready to slide the last stone in place, and then we're ready for the top. So I hate to cover these up because you're not really going to see these. The top's going to cover them up. But here I'm pretty sure is a Blanc de Blanc. Really cool quartzite from Brazil. Here's a black one. I wasn't even sure if, potentially it could be quartz, but the other side's leathered, so that's only seen that with natural stone. So it's probably an absolute black is what I'm thinking. So here I'm pretty sure we have some titanium. Kind of interesting here how we have this line going across the other way. Really cool. I wonder if I think that's a scratch, but again, we're not going to see it anyways. Typhoon Bordeaux and an Areolis white. Okay, and that's just, I'm just naming a few. There's lots of cool ones in here. Some I'm not sure the names, but still all natural, all very cool. Okay, I'm going to slide that what I think is an absolute black over, and I should have the same measurement across there. I'll double check, but I should be very close. And then we'll put the wood top on. I'm not sure if I need help on it. It's pretty heavy, but maybe I can maneuver it on there. And then I have an idea on top of that.